Hey guys, Jake here, Texas on the back 20. We got a mail call today. Got a few things, so we thought we would share them with y'all. This appears to be a return of our $100 bill from Marc B. As y'all know, he donated it back and wanted to pay it forward. So we're going to be drawing a new winner to give this $100 bill to. And Marc's little card here. He said, "To Jake and Ann and the two beautiful angels, you are the best. Thanks for the shirt and the dollars. Here is the $100 back for some lucky subscriber for your fabulous YouTube channel to win. All of the best for the new year and stay groovy. Love, Marc, Jackie, Picola the cat." So Marc, we do appreciate it, and we will be drawing another winner. It actually may be on this video. So leave a comment on this video below. Make sure you are subscribed and make sure that your email is in the About tab of your YouTube page. If you are signed into YouTube and leave a comment on this channel, your channel should have an About page on your channel. And just leave your email in there because I need to verify the winner of this prize. So thank you, Marc. Everybody, leave a comment, and thanks, Marc, for paying this forward. This one I've already unboxed, and I'm doing a little video series on it. This is the NOMAD internet system. It's for rural internet. I have hooked it up, and I'll be putting up a video probably after this to explain this and show this to you guys. But if you're having internet problems off-grid, very rural, this thing may be something that you want to look into. So I'll put up another video on that separately. This one I've definitely been looking for, and it was unexpected. What we have here, beer. This is actually supposed to be venison jerky from Kevin over at Lazypondfarms and Mr. Logan Kidder at Kidder Cattle Company. I'm going to put both of their links below. Guys, I really do appreciate y'all sending this over. We're going to test this out. I've got one right here that is ready and willing for the jerky, so we're going to give her a taste and see what she thinks. It's almost dinner time, so I ain't going to let her eat it all. I mean, what you think? Everybody wants to know up here on YouTube land. Think that's pretty good? Roll the camera. That is definitely good jerky, guys. I like how you've done these strips. I saw how you put a video up, Logan, on making this. I need to go back and watch that video because I do like these big strips of jerky. Good flavor. Good texture. Very good jerky, guys. And thank you so much for sending it. I'm gonna be sending y'all a thank you card for sure. And the better half also ordered some more seeds. And I believe she used the reference code over on Farmstead Smith channel. I think they kind of covered up the name there, but it looks like botanical interests, maybe. Let's see if I can pull it off here where you can read it. Yes, botanical interests. And again, the reference on this came from Farmstead Smith. We do appreciate it. My wife ordered this pack. As you can see, there are seeds in here. The wife ordered a few little things for her. Looks like we may have gotten a little calendar. Happy growing botanical interests. So we would like to thank Farmstead Smith for that. There's 2 packs of our seeds. That was the mail call for today. Again, I want to thank Marc B for sending back the $100. Be sure and leave a comment below in this video to register you for the win of that $100. Thanks Lazypondfarms and Logan Kidder for the beef jerky. It's delicious. We'll be eating all that up, no problem. And I'm going to be getting with y'all guys on the wireless router here to show you how that works. Hopefully for some of you rural guys it might help out. I think I'll do a whole nother video on seeds. Get over sugar. I'll swing you around here to show you, but this is my pile of seeds that I got going here. You can see there are just hundreds of seeds packs. There are some in there that are probably 10 years old. There's just no telling. I have collected up seeds. Keep collecting, keep collecting. Here's some that we bought just in last week. Everything from seed potatoes to pomegranate trees. So we'll be going over all this. Hopefully getting the garden going soon. I've already started doing some planting. It was 80 degrees here in Texas today. So that was the mail call, guys. Appreciate you guys for watching. Like I said, be sure and leave a comment below. And it will register you for the $100 drawing. We'll wait a couple of weeks and we'll pick another lucky winner for that $100. All right. Thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate it again. Thanks to all y'all that sent something. And Logan and Kev, we sending y'all something. Thanks, guys. Like, share, subscribe. Appreciate it.